Hey y'all, today I'm showing you how to do some soft passion twists over my natural hair. So I'm going to start off by just showing you guys how I parted my hair and how I prepared my natural hair. I'm going to use my DIY hair butter and just smooth it onto each section that I create. So this first row on this front section is going to be two parts. So at the root, I'm going to braid the root a little bit, and then I'm going to split the middle section and then twist the rest of the way down. And then I'm just going to repeat the same step on the other section, applying the butter, brushing it, braiding at the root, and then splitting the middle piece in half and then twisting all the way down. So I'm going to do this all over my head. And yeah, so this next row is going to have two, and then I'm just going to use the clip to keep the hair out the way, out of that section. So this section here is going to have two twists as well. Again, I'm going to braid the root, split the middle piece, and then twist the rest of the way down. So it's really easy, and I think this way helps the natural hair to stay nice and moisturized underneath the passion twist hair. So once I finished that, I let my hair air dry overnight, and then I came back the next day. Alright, so you guys saw how I did the twist. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how many parts I have. Starting with the back, I have 3 on the first row, 4 on the second row, 4 on the third row, 3 on the fourth row, and 2 on the fifth row. In the front, I have 2 on the first row, 2 on the second row, 3 on the third row, and 3 on the fourth row. Alright, and on the left side, I have 2, 2, 3, and 3. Alright, so now I'm going to be creating this hairstyle using Authentics Afro Twist 18-inch color 1B hair. And you see it comes pre-hooked already. That's for crochet, but I'm not crocheting that way today. Okay, so this is how it comes pre-hooked, and it comes with 9 pre-hooked pieces. I'm just gonna take off the rubber band that's keeping it together. It was real easy, just cut it there, and now I can just use this for one twist. Okay, so I'm going to hook in the hair and just pull one side through. Now I'm going to untwist my twist up to where the braid starts, and that's just so the twist blends better. So for now, I'm gonna have the whole twist just assigned to this one leg. And I'm just gonna twist down until my natural hair twist splits in half, and then I'm gonna split it between the 2 legs of the Afro twist hair, and then continue twisting all the way down. It's super soft feeling. I love how soft it feels and smooth. It's like really smooth, and I like how the ends are like curly like that. Let's get it all the way. Let's get it as far as we can. I'm trying to twist on camera for y'all. Normally I would twist down like this, so it stops like right above my waist. I think with this you want to make sure you twist it like as tight as you can so it can be a springy twist, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the back and then come to the front because you guys cannot see the back. All right, y'all, so I'm up front now. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. Just crochet in the hair here, and then you want to untwist the twist up to the braided part, and then take one half and twist. So you're going to twist down until the twist starts splitting in half like this, and then continue twisting. And you want to twist tightly. I'm trying to twist tightly all the way to the end. The twists look like not super long, but like they look long enough. Today is actually Thanksgiving Eve. So this is my Thanksgiving hairstyle. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I actually like that. I like the simplicity of this. Okay, so since this is the edge part, I'm going to put some edge control on it. So they have different scents. This one's strawberry, but it's like really clear. It smells good. It's clear though. I'm just gonna sleek up the part, and I'm just gonna do this to the front part for the Thanksgiving pictures. So I'm gonna just twist and then split it in half and then twist down. Getting a little ahead of myself. So that one's done. This edge control dried really quickly. Can't wait to show y'all the finished result. So I'm gonna show y'all another edge one. Hey y'all, so I'm done the twist. This one's kind of odd. I should have made this 2 parts, but I want to add some jewels to my twist. I got these from Amazon and they're so cute. I have to add them. So I'm like putting it inside the twist. Okay, so I put on all the jewels. It's really pretty. This is like what I always do. I put it up halfway. Yeah, the twists, they're like really soft and springy. Really soft and springy. The twists are really soft and springy. I really like them. And they're like the perfect length. Thank you Sam's Beauty for sponsoring this video. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel and I'll see you guys all in the next one.